Hey, Rashawn here from Totally Automotive. I have a 2000 BMW 740i that the diagnostic scanner would not power up. There's no power at the OBD connection or the DLC, which is the data link connector. Can't pass state emissions without having the power to the DLC. Here to discuss the problem. Here's the OBD connector. Get your little focus there. All right. It's got a little cap on it. Actually, it has a wood trim piece. Alright, after reinstalling the seat and getting all the finishing trim back up, what we've done is we've spliced those that connection together. I didn't really give you a good visual because I would have had to take it all the way back apart. But under there's a little box where different wires connect together on a junction block. What happens is the sunroof leaks, or the windshield, some people say, and it gets water down there and corrodes the metal terminals connections, and the wire splits. So basically, you got the seat back in, and going over here, you have the service engine soon, like there. On a 2000 model 740, you have the data link connector, which is right here near the shifter, right there, where you plug in the diagnostic scanner. It actually has a cover on it that you remove to hook up your diagnostic scanner, but we didn't have any power. As you can see, we have power to the scanner.